You are going to love the 2017 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, ventilated front seats, roof rack. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, power passenger seat, tilt steering wheel, adjustable pedals, rear audio controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.